price to enter this area, right? So a couple of things about the entry, right? What's important to understand is this, right? So notice how prices accumulated. So we've had a pretty large range over here. This is an accumulation in price. Now, the accumulation often occurs above the zone. When the accumulation occurs above the zone, this is what we call inducement, right? So this is inducement, the liquidity that's building up over here. That is important to understand, right? So now if we continue to play price on, let's see what we end up getting. Okay, so now we're in the zone. Price is now in the zone. So this is kind of step 2, right? So let's quickly go over our steps, right? So every single trade will follow these mechanical rules, right? 15-minute fair value gap, right? Notice how it's below the daily opening, so it's below the New York midnight opening price. That is step 1. Step 2 is that we need to have a 1-minute entry. The 1-minute entry is what you see over here. This is the 1-minute entry, just over here. And step number 3, which is the most important now, is we're going to be going on the footprint chart. We're going to be understanding the order flow, right? So the order flow is our why, right? So it's the why behind every trade, right? So you want to understand how many aggressive buyers and how many aggressive sellers there are inside of this zone, right? So let's break this down. So here we have the ATAS platform, ATAS, and we're going to be breaking down the price action we